I believe that video marketing is key.
Even when they get a referral,
That person's going to look you up before they're ever going to call you. And if they don't have a way to get a sense of who you are, then they may decide to go in a different direction.
how can they get to know you without meeting you? The only way is video.
I think that a lot of times you feel like maybe you could just do your own video, but the reality is it'll never get done.
You could try to do it yourself, and it would be incredibly frustrating and time consuming. Or you could do it with people who have not only the expertise to help you do a good job. Idea Decanter has walked hundreds of advisors through this process.
You just need to take maybe an hour of your time and they handle everything else for you.
I get professional quality videos and it just happens on an automatic basis.
The best part about working with Idea Decanter is, I always say, they make it idiot-proof.
Idea Decanter is the ideal partner. They take the time to get to know you, help you craft your message, and all you have to do is show up and say the words. They'll take care of the rest for you.
What I love is you kind of take what's in my mind and you bring it out and you put it into a script to capture not just the words, but the emotion of what I'm trying to convey to people. So that's awesome.
It's not a matter of if you should, it's why aren't you? Video is the way we move now.
I know that if it was left just to me, it would never get done. So I call my people at Idea Decanter and they make it happen.